My name is Abuzar Siddiqui. I study in grade 4 class. Today my topic is parts of computer system. First is monitor. Monitor is a output device and it is like a television. Second is CPU. CPU is a input device. It works like a brain. Third is keyboard. Keyboard is input device. It is gives instruction to the computer. Fourth is mouse. Mouse